Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Groupy travel friendly notebook bag sleeve. As you can see, this is not an unboxing, rather than unpacking. This is what the sleeve looks like. I'll just give you a closer look. So there you go. This is what it looks like. This is a sleeve basically for notebooks, 10-inch notebooks ideally, which I cannot show you because I do not have. So a couple of things to note is that there is a magnetic lock right over here, which makes it easy to, this will not fall out once the notebook is in. And not just that, you can use this as a support as well. Furthermore, this is made out of leather, so it's a unique design over here. It's not really actual leather, this is pleather, but yeah, it has a nice finish to it regardless. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the pack containing the Groupy travel friendly notebook bag sleeve. Thank you for watching.